Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa, coming at you this afternoon with a 1962 Ford Falcon Convertible. Now, this car is Tuscon Yellow, they call it. It has black interior. This car has been completely restored. It's been a few years ago. I'm going to say it's probably been 15 years ago since this car was restored, and it still shows very, very well today. Now, this car runs and drives very nicely down the road. It has an inline 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. Very driver-friendly car. Anyone can jump in this thing and run it down the road. Is this a perfect car? No, it's not a perfect car, but it's a very nice little Ford Falcon Convertible that somebody's really going to enjoy and really going to love this car. Be a great little cruising car. Maybe drive this thing down the Pacific Coast Highway or something, just with your best girl by your side, your arm around her. Don't that sound nice? Very nice little car, like I say. A few little blemishes here and there on the car, but you're going to have that with, you know, a restoration that's 15 years old. I'll walk around, I'll show you some of them imperfections in the car. Engine was all rebuilt, the training was gone through, the brakes, I found a receipt in the glove box, looked like the front brakes were all serviced in 2020. New brake shoes and wheel cylinders. Had a new master cylinder put on it, it looks like. The chrome bumpers are in really good shape. The bright work down the sides of the car are nice. A few little scratches and imperfections here in the door handles you can see. Your emblems here have a few, you know, little pitting in that emblem. You can't see it from even 5 foot away. You get up close, you can see the little bit of pitting on there. Antenna's in great shape. All the glass in the car is in good condition. I don't see any real big flaws or major flaws in any of the glass on the car. The front bumper is in good shape. Your grille, your headlight bezels, they all look really, really nice. That piece of chrome there on the hood, it looks good too. Maybe a few little minor imperfections in it if you get up really close to it. And this is a driver quality car, everybody. This is not a $100,000 show car. Not gonna tell you it is. There's the inline 6-cylinder engine. Engine, like I say, was rebuilt. Looks great underneath there. We don't hide anything here at Kenyon Classic Cars. We just tell you exactly like it is. Just easier that way. It's the only way to be, is just honest and upfront. We just detailed the under side of the hood here on this car. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect car, but it's very, very nice little car. Very good driving car, very good running car. Paint is really nice on the car. Underneath these bright LED lights, you can see a few little imperfections in the paint here and there. A couple little maybe pieces of specks of dirt. You can look down the side of the car though. The paint's got a nice shine to it. It looks good. A couple little, you get right in the light, you can see one little bubble here and one little bubble here underneath the paint. I don't think there was any rust issues on the car in that area. I'm sure it's just something that didn't adhere when the body and paint work were being done to the car. We're not going to ask a lot of money for this car. I think we're going to ask $24,900 for this car. So not a ton of money. The car does have a power top. The interior looks very, very nice in the car. The seats are in good shape. It does have a photo album here of this car when they were restoring it. So that's nice to see. Looks like the guy had maybe a few little Falcons. It's kind of a neat book there. You also got a shop manual, a Ford Falcon shop manual. And this is a Futura. It has aftermarket gauges in it. It's got a set of, I think they're Dolphin aftermarket gauges. We'll fire this thing up for you so you can hear it run. Turn on the dash lights. There's all your dash lights. They all come on. 40 pounds oil pressure at idle, water temp, fuel gauge. Horn does not work. The power top works just fine. Let's see what works and what don't work. Your heater controls work. See if that cigarette lighter works. I'm not going to guarantee that cigarette lighter works, but we'll try it. Nice glove compartment, looks good inside there. There's your left turn signal, your right turn signal, your bright headlight indicator. I would say that that cigarette lighter is not working. Door panels are in good shape. Little 6-cylinder engine starts right up, purrs like a kitten. Tail lights work, license plate lights work. Turn on your left signal. Use your left signal. Go around front so you can see that one working. We'll look at the headlights, the marker lights. There's your headlights, your left turn. We'll flip on your right one. There's your right one. The top on this car is brand new too. Black top. The top is brand new. It looks great. Very nice little car. I'll open the door here. We'll take it for a spin. But Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Check us out on our website. We have 125 collector cars in stock. Just depends on the day. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day. Give us a call. Our phone number here at Kenyon Classics, 563-452-2450. Our website, KenyonAuto.com, www.kenyonauto.com. That's KINION auto.com. You can check out all our cars there. We'll have probably 50, 60 pictures of this car at least on there, so you'll be able to see what she looks like. Let's take this little jewel outside and take her for a ride. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you the door jambs in this car. Here's the door jambs in this car. Are they perfect? No, they're not perfect. They show some wear. They show some wear inside the door jambs. Just like that. There's the factory VIN plate on the car. The seals seem to be in good shape. This one here looks like it had some adhesive put on it to keep it in place at one time. The other side's the same way, everybody. It's, you know, a little bit of wear on the door jambs. But you're not going to buy a perfect car for, you know, low to mid 20s on any car, really. So, I mean, this thing is a really, really great little car for the money. So I really think you'd be really, you know, really blessed to be able to own this little car. My man here is going to get in with us, and he's gonna hold the camera here. We're gonna go for a little cruise in this little Ford Falcon convertible. There he is.
Got her.
All right, well, here we go. Hold on to your hats. This thing's got, well, what do you think? It's probably got 1,000 horsepower. I mean, I'm just kidding. Let's have the headlight. It is a little inline 6-cylinder. Better put these things down so we don't lose them. Goes down the road pretty decent. I'm going to check that speedometer here in a second. Speedometer gets to, it's right hitting about good. She don't pull left or right really. A little bit to the right when you really step on them really hard, but kind of expected. Going down here to our little round spot. Oh, easy there. Get away from us. Really good little car, everybody. Looking for a little convertible